Artlist.io.
Put it on there. You have to be very careful here, so you get it crimped where it's supposed to crimp. And now we got the extension here. I have to extend the harness about just over a meter. So see, this is the purple one. I gotta get some better light here. This is too dark for me. There's one. And I got this heat shrink, pre-cut heat shrinks here. Did you put on there? I've been lazy this week. I haven't done that much. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about it, because every night when I go to bed, I'm thinking, okay, tomorrow I'm going to be in the garage all day. And then when morning comes, I get stuck on YouTube, on the computer. So I don't go to the garage. And then around 10, I eat breakfast, watch something on TV, and then I get stuck watching stuff on TV, and then it gets like 12, 1 o'clock. And then I'm like, oh, it's too late now. If I go in the garage now, I don't get anything done. It's too late. So anybody have any tips on what I'm going to do to get out of this loop I have of not getting anything done?
Music licensing reimagined.
Please tell me. There, I extended the harness for the knock sensor. It's extended just over a meter, and with these special connectors and heat shrink. And I also have to put this on with every wire, because you can't fit all the connectors and stuff through these. So I have to, when I cut the wires to extend them, I have to put them in here before I close the extension on both sides. I mean, I can do the one, extend it on one side, but before I connect it to the other side, I gotta put the wires through these. So I got a ton of wire to do, and this is not fun. And I gotta get some more light in here. This is it's too dark to work here. So we'll see. So I got my bus bar today. Picked it up. Big heavy one, so you can take it apart like this. And you got 4 M8s, and this is like 5 millimeter thick. It's heavy. And this is from Temu. It was like just over 200 crown, I think, with shipping and everything. And you have these openings here, so you have all the way around. So you can decide where you want the cables to go in and out, on the short end or on the long end. I like this. And they had different ones. This is 4 times M8 terminal studs, but you can get them with 4 times M10, 6 times M5 screws, and 2 times M10 studs, or 2-way 6 times M4 screws terminals. And you got some heavy duty terminal stud box, 4 by M10, blah 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 blah. A bunch of different ones to choose from. I wanted the M8 terminals. So so I got that, and I also, hang on a minute, I also went and got some connectors for the battery cables. These 2 I already had, so I got myself some 20, this is for 10 square millimeters wires, 16, 25, 35 and 50. 50 is the one I'm running from the battery in the trunk up front. This one is 50 square millimeters. So I got those, and I got some connectors that you use in a relay. Let me get one and show you. Like in one of these, the connectors, because I'm doing a relay in the back for the fuel pump, so I need these ones. So I got those, and I got those, and I got some This is for that blue lines in the car here. These blue ones gonna go inside this one, and I got some for hot areas. This one I'm gonna run. Whoa. This is gonna be running back here, go down there to the O2 sensors and the wideband sensor, O2 sensor. So I got the one that's 20 mil inside. That way I'll be able to fit all the wires in there. And I also got this for the battery cable, and it's too small. I thought the battery cable was 13 mil, but it's actually 15. So this one is just put on the shelf. Can't use that. So that kind of sucks, because up here north where I live, we don't have much supplies. They have just like the standard sizes, like that one. They had that one, and the next size that was too big that they have on the shelf. So I gotta try to find something online that is like 15 mil inside diameter. But other than that, as you've seen in the video, I'm working on the wire harness here. So I'm gonna continue with this weekend. See if I can finish it up, and running some more stuff in the rear here. But this is a pain in the ass. So I mean, then I start thinking here. Okay, let's start putting this together in a kind of, put it together, all of it where it's supposed to go. And then I'm thinking, well, I gotta run the cable that feeds the fan, the cooling fan relay. It needs a feed, a 30 feed battery feed, go in there, and the relay is gonna be over here. Somewhere around over here. So I need a battery feed to this one. So where do I take that from? Okay, so take it from the bus bar that I thought about putting somewhere around here. I'm not quite sure exactly where I'm going to put it, but my plan was around there somewhere. So then I got to run a wire cable from that one over here to the relay. So I can't really do anything with all this stuff. Oh, that's for the same over here. This is the B connector on the PCM. That's gonna be behind the glove box here. So anyway, this is the This is the feed for the fuel pump, the PCM that turns on the fuel pump. That's this cable. That needs to run all the way back because I'm going to have the fuel pump relay in the back there. So, because the battery is going to be in the back, and I want the battery to feed the fuel pump with as short wires as possible, so I don't lose anything on a long fuel pump wire. So then I got to do that. And same here. I got to extend this one. This is for the windshield washer, and that windshield washer bottle is going to be in the rear, so I got to extend that. I'm trying to do something, and then I just remember, or I get in my head, oh yeah, that's right, I gotta run that wire too, and this gotta go there, and it's a lot. So we'll see if I can finish up this engine harness this weekend, hopefully, because that would be a big relief if I can lay it out here. We'll see. So anyway, and all the wire I did finish up here that I saved. They didn't have all the colors. So for example, this where did that go? Oh yeah, this orange with a black stripe, that turn on this relay that feeds power to all the sensors. So to find, because I got to extend all these wires, to find this right color, I had to go through all this. So, and here are some wires that I cut to the right length over here, but didn't have the right color there. So this takes time. I've done these. This is the O2 sensors and the NOx sensor. No, the O2 sensors, oh yeah, but they're only cut. But I did the NOx sensor, extended that. And all of the wires that are laying in this direction here, those I might not need to extend. So I'm waiting on those until I can put the harness in the car, and I can see if I need to extend them or shorten them or what to do with them. It's a lot. Lot. Well, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna try to work on it this weekend, and if I get anything done this weekend, I update you guys maybe Monday. So and I just got 800 subscribers, and I'm so grateful. Thank you. I don't have words. I'm so grateful for all my subscribers that hang in there with me, because My video content it's not good at all. It's I'm no editor. I'm not a videographer. Videographer. Well, anyway. Thanks a million for sticking with me. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.